Investing in shares can be a great way to grow your wealth over the long term, but it can also be confusing and overwhelming for beginners. Here are some key things to keep in mind if you're just starting out with shares. Understand the basics. Before you start investing, make sure you understand the basic terminology and concepts related to shares. This includes things like dividends, earnings per share, and the price to earnings ratio. Do your research. It's important to do your own research on the companies you're considering investing in. Look at their financial statements, management team, and competitors to get a sense of their potential for growth. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your money into one or two stocks. Instead, diversify your portfolio across a variety of sectors and companies to reduce your risk. Be patient. Investing in shares is a long-term game. Don't get discouraged by short-term market fluctuations and don't try to time the market. Instead, focus on buying quality companies and holding on to them for the long term. Consider using a brokerage. A brokerage can help you buy and sell shares and can offer research and analysis to help you make informed decisions. Look for a brokerage with low fees and good customer service. Start small. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Start with a small amount of money and gradually increase your investment as you become more comfortable and experienced. Remember, investing in shares comes with risks and there is no guarantee that you will make a profit. However, by following these tips and doing your research, you can increase your chances of success over the long term.